Yeah, this is Mr. Tochukwu Igwe's foundation. Abunina Igafia is boldly written on our cap. This is a foundation that was set up to help people, and by the special grace of God, we are starting, or the journey has just begun, or begin, or begun. In fact, we have kicked off.
Yeah.
And then because God is involved, we have a lot for you. And then when it is time, you're going to hear from us. You're going to see us in action. This is the first step we are taking. Am I right?
Sure, that's true.
Good. This is the first step we are taking. So we appreciate you for coming and for watching.
I'm Tochukwu Victor Wigwe, Onyumuti Ben, the CEO of Tochukwu Wigwe Foundation. The reason why we came here, me and my brothers, we came to present this little token, is about the loss of our dad. You know, our catechist, the man we love so much. You know, I cherish him. He's a man I love. I don't even know how to describe it. You know, right from when I was growing, this man had been there for me. And see, first time I left the country, always ask after me. Anytime he sees my mom, touch him, no problem from my touch. And it was really painful. The last time I came home was last year Easter. I came here to see him. I never knew that was a goodbye. When I left, I'm not gonna see him again. It's really painful. But, you know, nevertheless, you know, God gives and God takes, you know. I just decided to come here today. Me and my friends and Chief Imo and Sister Maggie, we decided to come here, you know, to come and present this little token. And this is 50,000 naira to use to support the burial. You know, it's just unfortunate I will not be around when the burial is gonna take place. But that's why I said let me come and just show this love to the family. You know.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
But we are very, we are short of words. We can't reward you for this. But we believe that God, who made it possible for you to be here, will reward you for this. Our family is very grateful for you.
Oh, no, Jesus. How much Chineke? Na bịarele. Ejina nwa Chineke na-anabata ọnụ. Onye wụkwasịrị ọnụ amara ya. Ka ọ nọ jere ya ozi. Ka ọ nọ bụrụla ya ụmụ. Eme ka ọ nọ gawa n'iru n'afọ Jizọs. Amen. N'ihi na okwu ya mere ka anyị mụrụ ọsọ onye ọbụla na-agọzi agọzi ka a ga-agọzi kwasakwa n'elu ngozi. Ka okwu ya na ya mkpọrọ n'ime ọnọ n'afọ Jizọs. Ka n'ezinụlọ nọ n'ikuku Jizọs. Ha mere Tochi nwa m. Ọwụhụ ihe taa. Ọ sitekwe na di m na nwata gị ka anyị sịrị m na gị na-egozikwa na eleghị gị ha. Asị m Chineke onye na-akwụghachi ụgwọ amara ya wụkwasị gị na-aga ka ibiri gị ndụ n'afọ Jizọs. Ruo ikwu na ibe ndị ekorobịa ụlọ na ị ga-abụ ọ ga-anabata. Eti ndị a jiri amara Chineke were soro gị bịa. Ka o sebụrụ Chineke onye nwe ụzọ mere ka ụzọ rubere lọ n'isi na-enweghị ihe mmekọta ọbụla ya eji ote mgbe ọ nọ ga-ala n'ọnụ n'udo n'ọnwụ na-enweghị nsogbu ọbụla ka anyị were si ote nkụpụta ịdị mma Chineke ngozi abụrụ nke ọnụ na ha Jizọs.